Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Roblox. I'm going to show you where this room is. This is not my Roblox character, this is a skin off of the store, and as you know, show you where the room is. I'm going to pause it to show you. Okay, so let's see. So guys, let me show you where it is. It's not going to be in the map or anything, of course. People just ran, that girl is level 2. I'm going to show you it. It's in here. Okay, and just get in here. And I'm about to get in. Come on, let me get in. Yeah, there we go. Guys, then it has a different song to do. That song. Probably know this song. Okay. This. Yeah. Oh, this way. See, guys. This is a little close. Wait. So let me go through here. Go all the way up. And. Oops. Pause it on accident. See, guys, you like. See there, guys? I don't get this. This has a different song, and I like the song. Nice beat. This is my real Roblox character unequipped. This is my real Roblox character, guys. Right here, I am still a noob and everything. Me in real life in Roblox. So yeah. As you know, I don't know who this guy is, but it's a guy. And I believe that's the developer. Wait. I don't know. Oh. Let's see if we can glitch out of this. Okay, guys, let's see if we can glitch into this guy. Ooh. Yeah, wait, oh, we're stuck. And push. Oh, yep. Guys, we just glitched out of the map. Well, guys, let's play a game. Stuff that's inside this one. This guy wants to know where it is, which I already found it. And ooh, what is this? This guy looks like he got an egg on his head. Got the top hat. No, hey! Is he wearing stuff from the solo event? Let's see. Yep, from the solo event, the backpack. He's wearing the backpack. Let's go, and wow, that guy is glitchy. Okay, and now I'm gonna go here. Look at me. You're gonna put back on this skin. I even have him, but popular Roblox Twitch streamer, keep of souls, awesome stuff, and swings. Ooh. And guys, we are gonna go into a game, and I showed you where it is, and let's go. Oof. Oh, people survived the woods, lost woods. Now we are gonna play this one. Orange Grove. I like this one. Down to this. Double hit these buttons. Okay. Just climb up. You can't jump on this one for some reason. I'll just do this. Bottom. On this one. Ah, yes, it. I'm very behind. Just need to stop talking right now. Oh gosh, no. Oh no. Ooh. I better make it. Guys, I have to make it in. Yes, I'm level 18. Yeah! Glitched out. Time to dive in. There we go. This one. I'm gonna take this way. Is somebody going for it? Let's see if he makes it though. Yep. Oh, there. Supposed to make it. Good time for me to glitch through. Guys, we have to glitch through. No. I just died. No, didn't go for the wrong button. No, didn't go for the wrong button, so I just killed myself. And this one. One of the hard ones to beat out of the normal ones. Those people going for it? Yep. And okay. Damn, I hate this part. You don't want to stand there. Ooh. Wait. We're gonna have to get up here. Jump. Get up here. Jump up here. Nope. Never mind. Forget. Wait, where can I walk? Okay, there. Well, I'm gonna die. Because I'm the very last one. And wow. I'm not gonna take my time doing this. No, I am not. I was hitting the down button. Why don't you let me jump? I'm trying to figure. Like, okay, well then, this is not the map that I like because of this. Why are we stuck in a cave? How did we get in the cave? Can't we just climb up there and do it? What? I can't. Oh, no, I can't go through. Well then. No. Well then. Spectating her. Jump. Okay. And one. Straight over here. Oh no. Why ain't it letting me get up there? Oh, long. See guys, sometimes I glitch. So I take some stuff slow. Guys, nah! Little guys, that sucks. See, I made it. I made it. I'm gonna watch this noob. You guys are boy legs and going on. Why don't you do my style? So it's just there. Hey, I don't expect you. Hey! There. No, I didn't even hit the button. Isn't that a little stupid? Oh, yep, he's dead. Coming back for it. He should survive, but he can't. He died. Paradise. I said somebody could come up with the weirdest names. Why are you gonna go for the down button? Is this a stump? Yeah. Paradise and who? Cool Alex. XD 116. Oh, you better run! Something did. No. Expect him down. One for the dawn. Death symbol. Just run! Well, he's gonna hit the death symbol. Yep. Why? Why? Alright, going for the darn button. Just glitch through there. Wait, alright, he's a noob. I am one too. Glitch through and I go. He's so lucky. And he was the only one that survived. Look at me. Aww. These people these days. Wait. Ugh. Jump. Why is mine so late? What? I know the arrows are pointing here, so run. Ooh. Okay. Go Alex XD1. How you doing, man? Oh. Ooh, I'm gonna fall off. Why are you standing there? Just run! Jump here, jump here, jump here. Die. See, I'm gonna die, 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 I'm gonna die. I survived. I'm stuck again. Yay. Oh. Guess what, dude? Yeah! I'm always stuck inside that wall. Hit the invisible one. Like, how can you just walk out? Baka. It's all about those baka people. Oh! I gotta hit it. Explain. Guys, want to run across here? You can go with the down button. Like I say here. Come on. Hit the button, hit the button, hit the button, hit the button. Hit the down button. Oh, my camera's glitching. Okay, there we go. Yeet. Please. Well, guys, if I die on the other one, this is gonna be the end of that video. Oh wait, yeah, I got the epic face. Yeah. Was it being at an insane? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Load in, ready. Boom, boom. Wow. Oh, it's this one. This one ain't hard at all. Just one. I like the song though. Jump over here, grab this, run straight over here, right here, dive down. Oh, I dive down, okay. Somebody's died. Probably didn't grab that thing. Oh. So you go here. Okay, stop buttons and click the other buttons and clicked on. Yeet! That's funny. I'm the first one I was inside here. Now dive down! Okay, let's see if we can glitch through the water. Aww. Glitch. Fine. I'll do until the next time when I'm up again. What about now? Hello. No! Ah! Oh. Guys, we are so close to... guys, I forgot the end of this video. We are so close to 600 to get this thing. Oh, goodbye one of those, but I'm gonna buy this. Made of electric generator. And as you know, there's an... not like that. There's a new emote card. Assessed as, yeah. Dimest. T-pose. Play dead, see? Overtime. Air swim. Head spin. Switching. Relax. Meditate. Dab. Backflip. Play dead. T-pose. VIP costing that much Robux. Okay. And then there's this guy. Minor Crazy Box. And then him. Guide of Flood Escape 1 is back. And then him. Failed from the factory too. He fled from the factory. Hey! Not even water. Flames. Dot. Guide to the noob though. Flood Escape 2. Let him touch the water. Don't look. Don't. Spooky. Well. Hey, there's a guest. Guys, there is a guest. See, guests look like that and flash vertically. They look like Builder-Man. That's what Builder-Man looks like. And I. Hey, I have that set. The event's over, man. I dive down. See you guys in the next one, okay?